Why do 90% of dermatologists recommend these 5 skincare products? These products have been carefully selected based on their effectiveness, ingredients, and the results they deliver. Each one has been tested and proven to provide significant benefits for various skin types and concerns. Stay tuned to find out. We're about to reveal the secrets to achieving flawless, radiant skin with these top-rated products. Let's dive in with Stracia Lipid Gold Skin Strengthening Moisturizer. This product is a game-changer for anyone struggling with a compromised skin barrier. Lipid Gold is formulated with ceramides, niacinamide, sea buckthorn oil packed with antioxidants, phytosterols, and unique fatty acids, the 3 ingredients found in your skin's natural moisture barrier to strengthen your skin from the inside out. Sea buckthorn oil strengthens and soothes. These ingredients mimic the skin's natural lipid composition, ensuring deep hydration and protection, perfect for dry or sensitive skin. Users have reported a significant reduction in redness and irritation, making it a staple in their skincare routine. Next, we have Drunk Elephant Proteini Polypeptide Cream. This cream is like a protein shake for your skin, providing it with the essential nutrients it needs to stay firm and youthful. This anti-aging powerhouse uses peptides and amino acids to boost collagen, improving your skin's tone and texture. The peptides signal your skin to produce more collagen, while the amino acids help to repair and strengthen the skin's structure. It's a must for anyone looking to combat wrinkles. Regular use can lead to visibly firmer and smoother skin, making it a favorite among those looking to maintain a youthful appearance. Moving on to Neo-Cutis Bio Serum Firm. This serum is a luxurious treat for your skin, offering advanced anti-aging benefits. This luxurious serum uses growth factors and hyaluronic acid to hydrate and firm your skin, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. The growth factors stimulate cell regeneration, while the hyaluronic acid provides intense hydration, plumping the skin from within. Ideal for mature skin needing intense care. Users have noticed a dramatic improvement in skin elasticity and hydration, making it a go-to for those with aging skin. Medic 8 Crystal Retinol 1 is our gentle yet powerful retinoid option. Retinoids are known for their anti-aging benefits, but they can often cause irritation. With retinaldehyde, it stimulates collagen and cell turnover without the usual irritation. This makes it perfect for those new to retinoids or with sensitive skin. Perfect for beginners in anti-aging treatments. Over time, you'll notice a reduction in fine lines, improved skin texture, and a more even skin tone. Finally, Skin Medica TNS Advanced Serum. This serum is a powerhouse of anti-aging ingredients, designed to deliver visible results quickly. Its dual-chamber formula packs growth factors and antioxidants to target wrinkles and skin laxity. The growth factors promote skin regeneration, while the antioxidants protect against environmental damage. This hydrating facial serum is anti-aging, and users felt they looked 6 years younger in just a few weeks. Ready to glow? Users have reported a significant improvement in skin texture and radiance, making it a must-have for anyone looking to achieve a youthful glow. Try these top picks for a radiant, youthful complexion. Incorporate them into your daily routine and watch your skin transform. Whether you're dealing with dryness, sensitivity, or signs of aging, these products have got you covered. Remember, consistency is key. Using these products regularly will help you achieve the best results. Make sure to follow the instructions and give your skin time to adjust to new ingredients. So, are you ready to elevate your skincare routine? These top 5 products are dermatologist approved and loved by users worldwide. Give them a try and see the difference for yourself. All the products featured have links provided below. You can purchase them directly by clicking on the links. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and product recommendations. Your journey to flawless skin starts now.